Western food materials and cooking have been common in modern Chinese restaurants. Fast logistics allows people to taste the flavor from the sea without going to the seaside. Codfish is such a popular marine delicacy, and it is tender, thick, and spineless, and can be enjoyed with a big mouth without worrying about fish bones. Simple frying can make the delicious flavor from the sea. Remove the skin of codfish. Marinate it with black pepper and sea salt so as to season the dish and absorb the fishy smell of seafood. Add olive oil to blend to keep the fish tender without losing water. The sauce in Western food is often the key to determine the flavor. For example, rosemary, known as the dew of the sea by the Mediterranean, has a strong aroma of pine wood, which is commonly used in Western food. Cook broccoli and chicken stock with rosemary added in, and the fragrant and thick soup add exotic flavor. Marinated codfish is fried with butter on both sides, which is more delicious. Drizzled with the sauce, and the spices will quietly enrich the taste of the codfish. From the west to the east, in a new city, the food has become more inclusive and broad. It brings us more surprise and enjoyment when we meet with the food from all over the world.